Stunning. Big lot. Fully renovated, 2017, detached bungalow. New kitchen with quartz counter plus stainless steel appliances. Very bright with pot lights, crown molding. Quiet neighborhood is on a wide 50-foot lot. Large open concept living room combined with dining. Laminate floor, 2017, furnace, 2017, air condition, 2017, windows, 2017. Professionally finished basement with new kitchen, stainless steel appliances, 2017, on main. Wide big driveway accommodating your cars. Walk to schools, shopping, TTC, hospital, GO station. Nice location near to all amenities. Extras, 2 fridge, 2 stoves, 2 range hood, washer dryer, all window coverings, all electrical light fixer, furnace, hot water tank 2017 rent.